For years, the rivalry between Samsung and Google smartphones has raged. Both the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus and the Google Pixel 6 Pro include 12MP ultra-wide secondary cameras, with the size of the latter distinguishing primarily. Which of the two, however, has superior grounds? Today, we'll compare the Galaxy S22 Plus versus the Pixel 6 Pro in great detail. Let's get this party started, shall we? Number 5. Price. The 8GB RAM and 128GB storage edition of Samsung's Galaxy S22 Plus costs $999.99. Meanwhile, the Pixel 6 Pro is among the most lucrative flagship phones on the market currently, placing second just to Google's personal Pixel 6. At $899, you're receiving one of the most competent devices on the market, plus conserving $100 to $200 over other similar devices. Number 4. Features. The Pixel 6 Pro offers its own set of unique features. This includes the Photos app's Magic Eraser, which can remove photo bombers and undesired items from photographs. We'll get more into this when we get to the camera standoff between the two, so stay tuned. On the Pixel 6 Pro, Google Assistant is also smarter. For instance, when you dial an 800 number, it will inform you how long the wait will be, and the phone will even wait on hold for you. The S Pen is the most noticeable unique feature of the Galaxy S22 series, since it allows you to take notes, draw, and do numerous shortcuts. However, the Galaxy S22 Plus does not have it. Only the S22 Ultra has. The S Pen is not supported by the regular Samsung Galaxy S22 or Galaxy S22 Plus. You'll have to rely on your fingers or a pen that doesn't need a specific digitizer. Number 3. Displays. The Pixel 6 screen is 6.4 inches, while the S22 Plus's 6.6 inches. It's not that different when it comes to resolution. Both have full HD plus resolution monitors. Furthermore, because Samsung is bigger, the pixel density is lower. Although both panels offer good color, brightness, and contrast in general, there are a few features that favor Samsung's display. Understandably, the first thing you notice is the size. Because of the expanded real estate, everything appears to be a little bigger whether watching movies or playing games, making content more appealing or expansive. Then there are the dazzling lights, which are noticeably brighter on Samsung due to a greater peak and total brightness. It's just brighter, which can make a significant difference when watching the screen in direct sunlight. There was a tiny color shift when seen from a different perspective. Pixel appears to have a pink hue, while Samsung has a greenish tint. We have a little request. Please subscribe to our channel with notifications if you haven't already. It will be extremely beneficial to the channel. Number 2. Camera standoff. For centuries, Samsung and Google have been locked in a titanic struggle over photography, with one side attempting to outperform the other. Both brands have been at the top at different times. So who came out on top this time? You've probably gotten a hint. The camera specs of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus and the Google Pixel 6 Pro appear to be identical on paper. The 12MP ultra-wide secondary cameras on both high-end Android phones differ mostly in size. When it comes to photography, the Pixel 6 Pro outperforms the Galaxy S22 Plus. The twin cameras on Samsung's phone take decent photos with good detail and realistic colors. The night mode has enhanced over its foreigner. The portrait mode is gorgeous, and the image analysis pace has increased as well. On the Pixel 6 Pro, photography is such a fantastic experience that it will make your knees quiver with delight. The Pixel 6 Pro captures photographs of moving subjects with remarkable results. In the motion mode, you have two options: Action Pan for more forceful motion, and Long Exposure for pictures with no blurring. Motion mode is really simple and enjoyable to use. With the Magic Eraser tool, you may eliminate undesired persons or objects from the backdrop after you've snapped a shot. To accomplish this, you don't need James Friedman. You may be your own James Friedman and troll yourself. When it comes to photography, the Pixel 6 Pro outperforms the Galaxy S22 Plus. Furthermore, Samsung has one distinct edge in the photography division. It has an additional lens, You can magnify up to 3 times with the telephoto zoom lens, and the image is nearly as clear and perfectly executed as the ultra-wide and primary camera photos. Pixel only has the primary and ultra-wide lenses, and while it can zoom 2 times with superb clarity, it's not as crisp as Samsung's 3-time zoom. Pixel also performed a pretty good job of minimizing noise in the shadows and other low-light situations. One point to mention is that Samsung's night mode capture is far faster than the Pixel's. But at least in our opinion, the Pixel outcomes are more realistic. Samsung's method has some appeal, particularly because they appear crisper, albeit unnaturally. Number 1. Battery life. A 4,500 mAh battery powers the Galaxy S22 Plus. There's also 15 watts wireless, recharging and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging. Due to the battery decline, all-day battery life is no longer viable. However, Samsung countered by providing a lightning fast charging speed with its 4 to 5 watts rapid charging. The Pixel 6 Pro, on the other hand, has a bigger 5,003 mAh battery, providing it a significant edge in terms of battery life. Wireless charging is supported by the Google Pixel 6 Pro. If you're not a power user, the Pixel can even provide you with 2 days of availability. The Pixel 6 Pro, as claimed, charges 50% of the battery in half an hour. Unfortunately, you will not have a charging speed of 30 watts. The fact that it takes so long to charge the other 50% of your Pixel 6 Pro's battery, as well as the fact that Google did not address this aspect but did provide some type of explanation, just adds to the frustration. Reaching the overall winner between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Google Pixel 6 Pro is difficult when the price gap between the two high-end smartphones is this large. However, the Galaxy S22 Ultra takes the victory in this contest because it has a better display, faster performance, including a faster fingerprint sensor, and a significantly longer battery life with rapid charging. The Google Pixel 6 Pro, on the other hand, stays one of the most affordable large phones. Whereas the Galaxy S22 Ultra shoots great images and has more zoom capabilities, the Pixel 6 Pro's picture quality photography abilities are better than Samsung in several ways. So, now that we've looked at the 5 factors to see which one of the S22 and Pixel Pro 6 is better, stay tuned for our final decision. We hope you enjoyed this Pixel 6 Pro vs Galaxy S22 Plus review and comparison. Which of the two appeals to you the most, in any case, and why? Thank you for viewing, and we hope to see you again in our next video.